The network delay time problem on LeetCode involves finding the minimum time it takes for a signal to travel from a source node to all other nodes in a directed weighted graph. Dijkstra's algorithms start with the source node and initialize the distances to all other nodes as infinity, then iteratively update the distances by considering the shortest path and relaxing the edges. Repeat this process until all nodes have been visited or the destination node has been reached. Finally, return the maximum distance from the source node, which is the network delay time. Bellman-Ford algorithm: initialize the distances to all nodes as infinity except the source node, which is set to 0. Iterate over all edges multiple times, updating the distance if a shorter path is found. After each iteration, the distances will converge, and the final result is a network delay time. If there are negative wait cycles, it indicates there is no minimum delay time. Floyd-Warshall algorithm: create a distance matrix and initialize it with the weights of the graph's edges. Then consider each node as an intermediate node and update the distances between all pairs of nodes. Repeat this process for all nodes. Finally, return the maximum value in the distance matrix, which is the network delay time.